ESOS Phase 3 audits, TM44 inspections, miss requirements. The regulatory pressure on UK commercial HVAC efficiency is intensifying. Failing an audit or suffering a breakdown isn't just an operational headache, it's a compliance failure. The cost of reactive maintenance is severe. Unplanned HVAC failures cost UK landlords an average of £8,500 per incident in emergency repairs and lost rent. Shift to predictive maintenance with Monnit Alta. Our wireless vibration meters detect fan imbalance and bearing wear weeks before catastrophic failure, allowing you to repair during standard hours, not emergency rates. For ESOS compliance, our current meters identify energy-wasting components. Detect motors drawing excess current, a sign of degradation that costs you thousands in wasted electricity and downgrades your EPC rating. And for TM44? Differential pressure sensors tell you exactly when to change filters based on airflow, not guesswork. This provides the maintenance efficiency data inspectors demand. Stop reacting. Start predicting. Visit wirelesssensors.co.uk or call 0800 008 7304 for a free consultation.